This assessment compares two possible SN2 reactions and asks which we would expect to be faster. If we look, in both cases we're using methyl iodide, so the nature of the electrophile or the leaving group is not going to be important. What's different then is here we're using an alkoxide and here we're using an acetylide ion. In order to understand or estimate the relative reactivity of those two, we can consider the conjugate acid of each. So the conjugate acid of the acetylide is this terminal alkyne. The conjugate acid of ethoxide is, of course, ethanol. Now we know that the pKa of acetylene, or of a terminal alkyne, is around 25, and the pKa of an alcohol is around 16. This tells us since the acetylene, or the terminal alkyne, is a weaker acid, its base is probably more reactive, stronger, and therefore a better nucleophile. We would expect this one to be the faster SN2 reaction.